10 worst foods in our daily diet that are rapidly destroying our health. Well, we hate to be the bearers of bad news, but we don't want to make you regret either. Even, my girlfriend fainted when she came across this. Let's see, what is your reaction afterwards? Do you know? Every day, with every bite and every sip, you are inching closer to a health catastrophe. Yes, the daily consumables in your diet, seemingly innocuous, are perhaps more dangerous than you have ever imagined. Harboring such substances and ingredients that pave a direct pathway to severe, life-threatening health conditions for you. So, after over a month of diligent research, we are about to unveil the 10 worst, poison-like foods in your daily diet, as supported by startling research findings by the authentic most sources, like Harvard and the World Health Organization. Your life, quite literally, hinges on the crucial knowledge we are about to share with you. Stay with us, or you may regret afterwards. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. You may freak out till the end of this video. Anyhow, let's start off with the worst foods. Number 1. Sugary breakfast cereals. Oh yes, most of us kick off our day wrong with these cereals. Breakfast cereals, often marketed as healthy, are in reality dens of hidden sugars and refined grains, setting a stage for chronic ailments, including diabetes and obesity, as corroborated by a recent health study at Harvard. And to avoid these grave health risks, ensure a genuinely nourishing start for yourself with whole grain cereals or oatmeal topped with fresh fruits, fostering health and wellness right from the morning. So, what is your go-to breakfast meal? Do tell in the comments. Number 2. Bakery items. You would have never imagined this, but a sweet facade hides a brutal reality in bakery items like donuts and pastries. The Harvard School of Public Health has emphasized the sinister role of trans fats and refined sugars, leading you to a torrent of health woes, including obesity and heart diseases. Make a life-saving choice by opting for homemade goodies using healthier ingredients, like almond flour and natural sweeteners. Number 3. French fries. French fries were my favorite, but I had to take a U-turn on this. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has laid bare the undeniable link between the consumption of French fries and heightened mortality rates, attributing it to the high content of trans fats and deadly acrylamide. Each serving of French fries is a gamble with your life, fostering severe heart issues and harmful obesity for you. Choose options like baked sweet potato wedges instead. It is a healthier alternative for you that doesn't compromise on the crunch. Number 4. Ice cream. I took my girlfriend to an ice cream date, but now I regret that. Well, commercially available ice creams are an amalgamation of sugars and artificial additives, setting a terrifying path towards obesity, heart ailments, and even depression. The health risks here are too profound to ignore. Your probable escape is homemade ice cream, crafted with bananas and natural sweeteners, offering you a joyous treat that doesn't compromise your health. How much do you love ice cream? Let us know in the comments. Number 5. Deep fried chicken. We all love the KFC-like chicken, but deep fried chicken is a certain path to destruction, with each bite adding layers of trans fats and acrylamide in your system, fostering heart complications and obesity. The British Medical Journal has revealed these dangerous connections, particularly for postmenopausal women. Protect your health with a switch to grilled or baked chicken, incorporating herbal marinations for a safe yet flavorful meal. Number 6. Processed meats. This will certainly shock you to the core. The World Health Organization has expressly flagged processed meats such as hot dogs and sausages for containing carcinogenic components, packed with harmful additives and an overload of sodium and fats. These meats are an open invitation to chronic diseases, including cancer. Consider lean meats and plant-based proteins as your safety net, promoting longevity and well-being for you. Number 7. White sauce pasta. Pasta with white cream sauce is an extremely deceptive trap for you. It harbors refined flour that robs your body of essential nutrients, inviting you to a plethora of heart diseases and escalating weight gain. Various studies continually warn against such processed foods, urging people to gravitate towards wholesome alternatives, like whole grain or legume-based pasta adorned with fresh veggies. Number 8. Artificial fruit drinks. Artificial fruit drinks are a daily liquid poison, harboring high fructose corn syrup, which is a sworn enemy of your heart and metabolic health. Research published in the Circulation Journal corroborates the terrifying repercussions of its regular consumption. Choose life over this bottled menace. Refresh yourself with homemade fruit juices or herbal teas, embodying purity and health in every sip for you. Number 9. Packed potato chips. Loved by us all, packed potato chips are nothing short of a silent killer. Numerous Harvard studies validate this dark fact. Laden with an obscene amount of trans fats and sodium, each bite of chips is a step towards cardiovascular ailments. The dangers further escalate to potential kidney diseases, leaving a path of destruction in your body. Trade this perilous path for safer alternatives, like air-popped popcorns or homemade chips. Your body will certainly thank you for this. Number 10. Non-organic bread. Beware the non-organic bread. It conceals a cocktail of pesticides and deleterious refined grains. With every slice, you are ingesting a potential hormonal chaos, and an invitation to severe cardiovascular diseases and diabetes for you. To avert all these health risks, switch to organic whole grain or sourdough bread. It is a certain refuge, offering nutrient-dense and fiber-rich options. So, which of these foods you consume the most in your daily life? And did you ever know about the health hazards of all these foods? Do tell in the comments. So friends, it's high time to prioritize your well-being with the right food choices. Help spread the word about a healthier life by liking and sharing this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Shape Squad for more insights that guide you to a better tomorrow. Your path to a fitter, attractive self starts here. Our next video will really make you jump off your chair.